Hey YouTube, it's 21 Carissa again here, and I just went and picked up another free lawnmower, which my neighbor ever so kindly gave me. That it wasn't running whenever I got it. The governor on it was all taken apart and stuff. That's new carburetor. I just put that one on there because the one that was on it was all junked up, and also it was missing the valve cover, so I just have one off of a bigger Briggs motor underneath it to catch oil that falls. But anyways, a 6-horse Tecumseh motor. It's a pile of crap, I know. But whenever I got it, I was pulling it over, and it had a whole bunch of compression, and I was looking at the valves, and they wouldn't even move at all. So I looked at the push rods and stuff, and they were all good. So I went in a little deeper and I tore it apart, and I found the camshaft was busted in 2 pieces. See, there's that right there. Also had a couple of teeth stripped out of it. But from the 3-horse in my other video, the one that threw a rod, it had a good camshaft. So I went ahead and I put that one in it, and it worked. So I'll do a warm start for you guys here in just a second. Let me find something to set the camera on. Here we go. Alright, I'll move it out of the shop. See here. Yeah, you guys can see it there. All right. He said that it hadn't ran in about a year or so, and the rocker arms and stuff were covered in rust. So all I did was just the motor was free turning, so all I had to do with it is clean the carburetor, or I guess put a new carburetor on it because I didn't really want to bother cleaning it. So I just put a new one on from that 3-horse and put the new cam in from that 3-horse, and it's really quiet and it fires up on almost every first pull, so I'm pretty dang happy with it. The deck's all rotted out, so I won't be using it for mowing or anything, but I'm happy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, anything. Bye.